Hello, dear students! Welcome to Unreal English. I'm Sarah, your English friend and guide.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sarah, and today I will share my daily routine with you. You will hear simple English sentences that you can use every day. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can hear every sound. If you listen carefully and repeat after me, you will remember the words and use them in your own life. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. The house is quiet and the sun is just rising. The first thing I do is stretch my arms and take a deep breath. Then I go to the kitchen and make a cup of warm coffee. The smell of coffee makes me feel fresh and ready for the day. I like to sit near the window while I drink my coffee. Sometimes I plan my day. Sometimes I just enjoy the quiet moment. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I make a cup of coffee. I sit near the window. When I drink my coffee, I like to look outside. I watch people walking their dogs or cars driving slowly down the street. The world feels calm. It's my favorite time of the day. Peaceful and beautiful. Sometimes I open my notebook and write 3 things I'm thankful for. This small habit helps me start my day with a positive mood. Repeat after me. I write in my notebook. I feel thankful. I start my day with a smile. After coffee, I prepare breakfast. Most mornings, I eat eggs, bread, and fruit. Breakfast gives me energy. Sometimes I add yogurt or oatmeal. On weekends, I make pancakes and share them with my family. If my family is awake, we eat together and talk about the day ahead. We laugh and share small stories. I really enjoy these moments. They make me feel close to the people I love. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast every morning. I eat eggs, bread, and fruit. Breakfast gives me energy. Sometimes we talk about school, work, or weekend plans. We share ideas and help each other. It's a simple morning, but it's full of warmth and love. After breakfast, I drink another cup of coffee, just a small one. Then I wash the dishes and clean the table. I like to keep my kitchen tidy. It helps me think clearly. Repeat after me. I clean the table. I wash the dishes. I keep my kitchen tidy. After breakfast, I open my laptop. I check my emails and messages. Then I prepare lessons for my students. Sometimes I record videos for our Unreal English channel. Sometimes I write notes and new ideas for future episodes. I love creating lessons that help students learn naturally through simple, real English. Repeat after me. I check my emails. I prepare my lessons. I record videos. Sometimes I take a short break. I stretch, drink water, or open the window to get some fresh air. When I feel relaxed, I can focus better. I like to listen to soft music while working. It helps me concentrate and stay calm. If my cat jumps on the table, I smile and give her a small pat. Repeat after me. I take a short break. I listen to soft music. I focus on my work. In the late morning, I check my lesson plans again and prepare my materials. I also reply to student comments and messages. I love when students share how they're improving. It makes me so proud. At around 1 p.m., I finish my morning work and get ready for lunch. Sometimes I cook something simple like rice, salad, or soup. Other times, I make sandwiches or pasta if I'm in a hurry. Repeat after me. I cook lunch. I eat salad and soup. I make pasta. After lunch, I usually take a short walk outside. Fresh air helps me relax and think clearly. I sometimes buy groceries, vegetables, bread, or milk. The local shop owner always greets me with a big smile. Repeat after me. I take a walk outside. I buy groceries. Fresh air helps me relax. When I come back home, I put away the groceries and clean the kitchen. Then I check my schedule and plan my next lessons. If I have free time, I watch English YouTube videos or read a short story. It's a good way to practice and enjoy the language. Repeat after me. I read short stories in English. I watch English videos. I learn something new every day. In the evening, I spend time with my family. We eat dinner together, talk, and share stories from the day. We laugh a lot, sometimes about small, silly things that happened. Repeat after me. I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day. We laugh together. Sometimes we watch a movie. Other times we play board games or listen to music. It's a nice way to end the day. Simple and happy. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and prepare things for tomorrow. I wash the dishes, wipe the table, and pack my lunch for the next day. I like feeling ready. It makes tomorrow easier. Repeat after me. I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I prepare for tomorrow. After everything is done, I take a little time for myself. This is my favorite part of the day. I make a cup of tea, light a candle, and sit quietly. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I study. Sometimes I just relax and do nothing. Repeat after me. I drink tea. I read a book. I relax in the evening. I often read books in English. Reading helps me improve vocabulary and pronunciation. If I find a new word, I write it in my notebook and practice it later. Repeat after me. I write new words in my notebook. I learn new vocabulary every day. I also love journaling. I write about what happened during the day, how I felt, and what I learned. It helps me understand myself and express my thoughts in English. Repeat after me. I write in my journal. I express my thoughts in English. At around 10 o'clock, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and put on my pajamas. Then, I check my phone one last time, only for a few minutes. I like to write my plan for the next day in a small notebook. It helps me stay organized and sleep peacefully. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth. I put on my pajamas. I write my plan for tomorrow. Before I sleep, I think about 3 things that made me happy today. Maybe it was a good meal, a funny message, or just a quiet moment with my family. I close my eyes, smile, and whisper, "Thank you for today." Repeat after me. I feel thankful. I am ready to sleep. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Finally, I turn off the lights and go to sleep. I dream, rest, and recharge for another beautiful day. Now, let's review everything we learned today. Repeat each sentence after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I drink coffee. I eat breakfast with my family. I check my emails. I prepare lessons. I take a walk outside. I buy groceries. I cook lunch. I read in English. I eat dinner with my family. I clean the kitchen. I drink tea in the evening. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Perfect! You just described a full day in English. This was my daily routine. I hope you learned useful expressions today. Try to use these sentences in your own life. If you enjoyed this lesson, please follow and subscribe to the Unreal English podcast. We will make more slow and clear episodes so you can practice every day. Repeat after me one last time. I can learn English every day. I can speak naturally. I am improving step by step. Thank you so much for listening. Remember, the secret to learning English is consistency, not perfection. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.